Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a simple tutorial on how to make a looping redstone circuit that only works at daytime or nighttime. This circuit does not include any redstone torches, redstone repeaters or observers. You would need one daylight sensor, one sticky piston, 4 pieces of redstone dust, any 3 solid blocks and 4 temporary blocks. To start off, you would need to build up a pillar of 4 blocks with your temporary blocks. Then come down and break the 3 bottom ones. Then stand under the block, look up and place your sticky piston. Make sure that it faces down. Next, align yourself with the piston and place a solid block next to it on the ground. Then place another solid block over here, temporary block over here, and then a solid block over there. You can now break the top temporary block and place redstone dust on all the blocks. You can then break the bottom temporary block and place your daylight sensor on this top block over here. As you can see, this redstone is now powering on and off. If you want to switch it to nighttime, it will stop. It should be stopping. Okay, yeah, good. And if you want it to work in nighttime, you can just switch it over. So you can see over here. I don't really know why you would want to use this if you have to go to the nether to find quartz anyway. But I hope you find a use for it.